Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable voice chat in Honor of Kings. To enable voice chat in Honor of Kings, launch open the game on your device first and from the main lobby screen, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, from the settings menu, tap on sound from the left hand side. Inside the sound menu, scroll down and look for the voice chat option under general settings. Tap on it and make sure that you have tick marked on the enable button. After you do this, you can then enable voice chat in the game. If prompted, also make sure to grant microphone permission, and when you are in a game or a lobby with friends or teammates, you will now see the microphone icon, which means you have successfully enabled the voice chat in the game. You will then be ready to communicate with teammates during matches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Honor of Kings tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.